Okay, so I talked to this customer on the phone. This is a cabin up north, kinda, and she said she needed her mini split charged. And then I asked her, I'm like, who installed this mini split? And she said the electrician. And this is what I pull up to. Got a Mr. Cool. Oh my lord. There's the condensate drain. Oh my god. And that's wide open up there. Your electrician installed it. Oh. Wow. Well, this isn't the greatest install, but let's see. Let's go inside and see what's going on inside. So here's the unit inside. I mean, for what it is, I mean, it's decent looking. There's the Mr. Cool remote. And for some reason we had, I don't know. Oh boy. I don't know. Because they had an MC cable running. Where's that MC cable? Gotta figure out where he got his power from. Oh boy. Your electrician installed this. Wow. Where's that? Oh, that MC's not part of it. Or is it? I don't know. Let me figure out the electricity on this thing and see if it's even wired right. And then we'll go from there. Okay, so we hooked up. I got a little 410 pumped in there just to do a leak check. I think I got like 100 psi on there. Sprayed it down. Don't have any leaks here or there. There's only 4 connections. But the caps are missing. I don't know where they're at. I still gotta look at the power. $30. What's it supposed to be fused at? Max fuse 25. So fuses need to be changed. I still gotta look at the wiring inside, but it looks like it's tight. So we'll pull a vacuum on it, change the fuses, look at the wiring. But man, oh man. There we go. I'm using my phone today. I left my GoPro at home. So we'll run through this a little more. Make sure it's not going to blow up when I Turn the power on. I don't think it is because the power was been on already, but I got to check for actual power. So I use an old tripod, so patience. Oh boy, just don't let your electrician install your air conditioning crap. I'm not saying that for everybody, but uh-oh. My meter isn't working. So I got voltage there. Made some noise. Let me go check my... Let me just double check my connections inside. Wow. Then we'll go from there. Let me just double... I just got to check those 1, 2, 3 connections in the unit itself. Okay, wiring looks right. Damn it. Wiring matches. Point A to point B. Refrigerant's holding. Let's see. So what we got? I don't know, it's got another remote here. Let's see. It's got this one. Then she bought another one. Some wall remote, which is kind of redundant. Doesn't make sense. And I have no idea what's going on here. It doesn't want to respond to anything. Responds to the light. Power. Power. I don't know anything about that. Let's see. Oh, we got response. So, I mean, these things are nice looking units, these Mr. Heat, or whatever they are, Mr. Cools. They're probably the same as anything else. I mean, they're all made by the same manufacturer, I'm pretty sure. So we'll try it in heat mode. Got it on 82. Of course, it's probably going to have to wait a second. Gonna have to wait until the coil warms up. Dude, what is up with this thing? Holy crap, I got something going on here. What just happened? I don't want auto. Aha! Let's see. Okay, it's the same concept. You know, it's wireless or whatever the hell it is. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, so I'm going to go to heat. Oh, I think I was getting too antsy with it. Okay, it's on heat. Let's see. 77, 78. So it's the same thing. It's a wireless remote. They had it. She just had it mounted over there on the wall by the doorway. So that's where she had it mounted. I don't know if it's going to work there or not. And this is basically the same thing. That little remote's the same thing. So let's see what happens. That little remote is the same as that remote, just a different configuration or a different look. It does the same thing. It's kind of redundant. Don't know if she had to pay extra for it. I'm not really sure on these things. I never looked into them, and I guess there's some smart controller somewhere, which gives it Wi-Fi access. So let's give this thing a minute to start up. Okay, we are running outside. I just got out here. We're running in heat mode, and it looks to be doing everything it should be doing. Jeez, oh Pete. And it is heating. So all I did is let the charge go into the system. You know, vacuumed it out, let the charge go in the system. And I just got to make sure that's right. I don't know, we probably got 15-20 feet of line set here. Let's just read up and make sure. Well, Electrician didn't leave me any kind of installation manual, so I don't know what's involved or how it's even supposed to be charged. But I'm assuming, since it's a do-it-yourselfer, that it just comes pre-charged for the amount of line set that's there, which it probably comes in a kit, which I'm assuming. But we got it in heat mode right now, and this thing is pumping the heat. It's pretty quiet. Let's see. It's not a bad looking unit. Let's see what kind of operations we got here. I can't see, I'm blind. Timer, fan mode, sleep. She's got a turbo, swing. Come on, I want this thing to auto swing. Swing. Hold. I think you hold the button and it swings. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's swinging. She's a swinger. Pretty cool. Can't say anything bad about these things. I don't really know about them. It's got a turbo, self-clean. It's got a follow me, which normally on any mini split, the temperature is taken from the head itself. Fan kind of keeps on running and, you know, actually takes the temperature of the air. But if you put it on follow me on the remote control, you put the remote control where it's supposed to be, and or where you want it, or where you want it to sense the temperature, and it will sense the temperature at this point here. That's follow me mode. Nice little units. I don't know how much they are, but let's see. We'll leave the heat at 62. We'll leave the heat at. And pretty cool. Other than the install, it's a nice looking unit. Well, that was the first time I've encountered one of those Mr. Cool units. You know, you see them advertised on the internet or wherever you see them advertised, YouTube, internet. You know, they're homeowner-based stuff, but actually, honestly, looking at the quality of it, it's pretty decent. I don't know who makes it. It's probably the same one that makes Carrier, because honestly, the remote looks a little the same. Or actually, they're nice looking units, don't get me wrong. Would I put one in my house? Maybe, don't know. But I don't even know how much they are, honestly. I don't know if they're a good deal or what they are. But I mean, the quality looks pretty decent. But it's just like any other mini split, you know, Carrier, whatever you install. I mean, they're basic mini split, that's all they are. But they do the job. I mean, started it up, heat ran, cool ran, good to go. Customer's happy. I don't know. Just, you know, when I heard the electrician installed it, I was like, uh-oh, I'm gonna have leaks. Luckily, he did a good job. He didn't, well, he made the connections good. They didn't leak. But when it comes to the execution, making the thing look pretty, no. The thing was a freaking disaster. But whatever, it works. You know, I wasn't there to judge. Let's put it that way. And I wasn't there to repair it. You know what I'm saying? Or you know, make it look better. I was just there to start it up. That's it. Not saying anything bad about electricians. Not saying, I'm just saying they're just not equipped to do the whole job. You know, I mean, they have electrician tools. They have linesman's pliers and strippers, wire strippers, and they don't have vacuum pumps unless he crosses over. I don't know. I'm not saying anything bad about electricians. I'm not saying anything bad about the job. So, it is what it is. And I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.